Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick easy install of a fuel filler door for a Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited. You can see we have our subdued American flag right there. I think it's going to look really nice on the Jeep. This particular fuel filler door came from Amazon. It's made by a company called JeCar. You can see it actually comes with a new grommet for around the fuel filler neck. I thought that was kind of nice. Seems like a really well made product. Seems like the door latches really well once it's closed. There's not really any play in it. Seems to have a nice snug fit. All right. The only tools we're going to need for this install are a panel removal tool and then our ratchet with a T40 Torx bit. All right. As always, feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And then as always, feel free to subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is going to be in the driver's rear of the Jeep. You're going to want to locate this trim piece right here and use your removal tool to very gently pry it up. It snaps out very easily, and then you'll see that there's a single plastic T40 nut right there that holds our taillight in place. Okay, so to remove this plastic T40 screw, you just have to ever so gently back it off. You just want to remember it is made of plastic, so this doesn't require a great deal of force. Okay, and then once it's out, you can kind of see what it looks like and what you're dealing with there. Now that our plastic securing screw is out from the inside, all you have to do is pull on your light and it should come right off. And then you'll see that there's a single clip that holds this connector on. You just have to pull back on that. And then from what I understand, it takes a little bit of doing, but you just have to press down just under here. And this electrical connector should come right out with a little bit of force. Okay, looks like that comes off. Oh, there we go. And it looks like from the factory this is actually supposed to be secured right here, but it's not, so I guess that's kind of fortunate. And we'll just set that to the side. Okay, so it's a little bit difficult to see, but up there is the hole where our securing screw came down, and then tucked up behind the fender you can see a clip right there, and then another one right up there which hold the current fuel filler mount in place, and we're gonna have to get those off right now. All right, first we'll get our gas cap off. That's fairly easy to do. You just have to unscrew it and then it pops right out. And then thinking this will be somewhat like the JK, where if I just can get one clip out at the bottom and then I work my way up to the top. Yeah, perfect. And then work them around, should come right out. Okay, and there we are. Okay, so getting the new fuel filler door onto the Jeep should be pretty straightforward. You can see that there's a single plastic tab at the top, which we're going to use to locate it onto the body of the Jeep. And then it should be as easy as just sliding this over the fuel filler neck. Kind of come from inside and work it around. Oh, perfect. Okay, we'll line up our tab. And then we should be able to just push. Oh, yes. And then we'll kind of adjust it from the inside. Oh man, yeah, that's great. All right, looks good. All right, and then we just need to get our gas cap in place. Oh, perfect. Oh, beautiful. All right. I think it looks pretty good. Seems to hold pretty tight. I like it. Right on. Okay, now let's just get our tail light back on and we'll wrap this up. Okay, to put our taillight back on, it's pretty straightforward. We just do the exact reverse of how we took it off. So we just pop this clip back into place, put our lock back on, and then it should push right back into place. Now we'll secure it from the inside. All right, then our screw goes right back into place. And you just really want to remember that this is made of plastic, so it doesn't require a great deal of force. You can kind of feel the tail light from the outside and see if it wants to come off. Okay, and that feels just about tight. Now we just have to take our plastic trim piece and simply pop it back on. All right, so overall I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. I think it looks really good on the Jeep. If you guys are interested in picking one of these up and doing this yourself, I'll include a link down below in the description. Like I said, it's made by JeCar. I think it was only like $30 on Amazon, and overall I think it looks pretty good. Okay guys, as always, if you like this video, if you found it useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get updates about all my new content. And as always, feel free to subscribe. You guys take it easy.